Hi, don't go away yet. Give me a chance to be interesting. My name is Quentin Kinnell. This was not fun. I know my teacher's gonna see this, but still, it really wasn't. My project was on the differences between skiing and snowboarding. Chose this project because I have just showed interest in snowboarding, and I wanted to know why snowboarding was harder to start on than skiing. This will benefit anyone wanting to know which one of these sports to choose for them. This brings me to my essential question. What are the differences in learning skiing and snowboarding? Well, there are many. My answer to this is as follows. Skiing was invented around 20,000 years ago by early humans for survival. Snowboarding was invented around 50 years ago by a man who created it only for thrill and nothing else. For stopping, to start off it is more difficult for snowboarding because there are different moves needed to master, but later on when skiers want to be able to stop quicker and more efficiently, it is going to be more difficult for them. The moves needed for each are relatively similar, but some things that are specific to each sport are snowboarders need to be able to use their eyes to lead them, and skiers need to be able to do short, more quick turns to maximize efficiency. These differences show that snowboarding is harder to start on, but when you get good, it's easier than skiing. My final product is an animation that I have uploaded to YouTube. Um, I have finished it, and I finished it in a good amount of time, actually. Now, my greatest success was learning how to efficiently do my work, and my greatest challenge was also learning how to efficiently do my work. Now, this whole project choosing thing was also hard, and knowing exactly what to expect from me. So I learned how I did as a worker and what my strengths and weak spots are. Now, my genius hour was fun for the most part and all, but the part that was not that was the best wasn't actually the best. Let me explain. The best was learning about myself as a worker and how I could do projects, but that required a lot of realizations for me and what my realizations were, like how I had to maximize my work, which caused a lot of let's say hardships in this project. Anyways, that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you want to watch my video, go ahead. It's going to be right next to this video.